Hello everyone and welcome. I am Chef Christy, and on this channel I share a wide variety of delicious recipes every single Monday and Thursday. So please subscribe if you have not already, and if you hit that little notification bell, then you will know as soon as I upload a new video. We have all been affected by this coronavirus pandemic that is worldwide, something that we have never seen before. So my thoughts and my prayers are with all of those who have been sick or recovering, and for protection against us who are well and healthy, that we would stay that way. But I wanted to share something with you that is fun and that might bring a smile to your face and that your family will absolutely love, as mine has. It's just a lot of fun, and what better way to do that than with cupcakes. So since it is almost April 1st, I thought I would share with you my April Fool's Day spaghetti and meatballs. Keeping it simple, I'm using a box mix to make my cupcakes. Just follow the directions on the back of this box. To decorate the cupcakes, I'm going to use some buttercream icing that I made, and I will give you the link above here for this recipe. And then I want to show you a couple options of how to pipe the icing onto the cupcakes, and this is the easiest ever. I'm going to use a piping bag, and then I have a tip here, but if you do not have a decorating tip, you can just cut the end off of your bag and it'll be fine. Another option is just to get a ziplock bag and cut the corner off of it as well, and you can do the same thing. And I'll show you both options just so that you can see how they work. So for the piping bag, I'm just going to cut the tip off here, and then I'm going to place my decorating tip down inside. And then I'm going to take my bag, and this is just a little trick. Makes it easier to fill your piping bag, is just fold it down over a cup. And then I'm just going to put my icing in my bag. Okay, so if you don't have a piping bag and you want to use a Ziploc bag, it's still just as easy. Just cut the corner off, just a little tiny hole. And then place your icing in your bag. Make sure you zip it up. That's important. So I've got my icing ready, and now I'm just going to take cupcakes and put them into this big bowl. So my cupcakes are in a large bowl, and we want this to look like a nice big bowl of spaghetti. So I'm going to show you how to pipe, and it's super easy. Basically, all you're doing is just piping noodles on top of the cupcakes. But let me show you what they each look like. And then next, I'm going to use my piping bag. Now, I'm going to tell you that this is going to be a finer, smaller looking noodle. It's going to look kind of like angel hair. So you can decide whatever size noodle you want. Keep making noodles until all of the cupcakes are completely covered and you cannot see any gaps between the cupcakes. It looks like a big bowl of spaghetti. Okay, once you have a nice big bowl of spaghetti, we need meatballs. And I'm going to use Ferrero Rochers and some strawberry jam. You can use raspberry jam if you want to. Anything that's red will make it look like a tomato sauce. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my Ferrero Rochers, these are our meatballs, and I'm going to roll them in this jam. Just cover these meatballs up with this jam. And then I'm going to place them onto my spaghetti. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little bit of this jam and just kind of make some dollops around in different places that kind of look like sauce. And if you do not have Ferrero Rochers, that's fine. Just use your jam. Okay, this looks beautiful. But lastly, we need some cheese. We need some Parmesan cheese. So what I have is a block of the almond bark white chocolate, and I'm just going to grate this all over top. It's going to look like Parmesan cheese. Isn't this just the cutest thing ever? I just love it, and it's so much fun. And listen, if you want more sauce, add more jam. If you don't have any Ferrero Rochers, that's completely fine. Just have spaghetti with marinara. Just make it your own and have fun. Your family will love it, and I hope that it brings a smile to your face. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with more recipes.